Namaste, crypto aficionados. I hope you guys are doing great. I just want to say I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence when buying cryptocurrencies. Is very risky. You can lose all your money, right? Guys, please like, please share, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, I've got a good project here for you. But before that, I just want to check out the market today. The Bitcoin market, 34,250. Ethereum is 2.2k. Okay, we went up a little bit for Ethereum over the last few hours. Cardano, Dogecoin is going to do well. It's Elon Musk's coin, so yeah, I don't think it's going to do okay. XRP, Illuminati, that will do well, is here to stay, right? Even SEC has no power against them, so these guys will do well. Polkadot, $15. Okay, guys, good price, $15 for Polkadot. I think this is an easy 10x this end of the year, Uniswap, $18.66. I sold my Uniswap the other time. I got free Uniswap. They were giving out, they airdropped onto us, and yeah, I made good money with this Uniswap, so I'm always happy. Uniswap. Solana is $34. Litecoin, okay guys, Litecoin is going to be big. It's going to do huge because smart contracts is coming to Litecoin. I'm going to make a video on this, okay? And Litecoin is one of the fastest proof of work out there, okay? And yeah, so with smart contracts built on top of Litecoin, this is going to be a monster, and it could very well even challenge Ethereum. Yeah, so I'm going to make a video on that probably a couple of days from now. I'm really hyped. I'm pumped up with this. Okay, guys. So yeah, that's Chainlink will do well. Oracle, you need this. This is important, right? Chainlink and Polygon. Theta, I'm big on Theta or Theta or whatever you call it. This is huge. This is big. And internet computer, God knows what this is. I really don't know how it just, it's been around. It just came around a couple of weeks. I think a month or two back. I'm not sure, but yeah. So yeah. Okay, guys, just look at the project today. As you know, we've tried to find the best projects for you guys to invest in. And we don't charge a dime. I do this because I want to see you guys doing well. I'm all for the small guy, and I think all the projects that I've mentioned, most of it, are really solid projects. This is one of them that I like. It's called a Qredo, okay, and it's going to be listed on CoinList. So CoinLists, usually when they do a token sale, usually it's a power pack project, so I'm not too worried about that. Let's look at what it is actually, right? So Qredo is a re-architecting digital asset ownership and blockchain connectivity by offering decentralized custody, native cross-chain swaps, and cross-platform liquidity access. So what is all this? Okay, so basically Qredo is the name of the company behind the Qredo Protocol, right? And what it does is that it utilizes deep applied research expertise in cryptography and blockchain technologies to solve many of the problems associated with capital markets entering the world of decentralized finance. So what is the problem actually? So they are a decentralized custody basically for institutions, okay? And they are also doing cross-chain liquidity, right? So it allows users to transfer any blockchain asset between one another using the Qredo's own standalone fork of the Tendermint blockchain. So it's built on the Tendermint blockchain, right? So as you know, institutions are coming in, okay? Hedge funds are coming in. Exchanges, corporate treasuries are all holding Bitcoin, right? So they need to be accountable, okay, to their shareholders or account holders, that the private key won't get compromised. Basically, the whole problem is, if you are going to let a financial institution to handle your crypto. So let's say you are a cooperative, you've got millions of dollars, and you bought Bitcoin, let's say 100 million Bitcoin, and you're giving it to this financial institution who's holding it for you, whatever, Grayscale or whoever, or a fund manager that does in crypto. They have to guarantee you that their private key is not compromised, that nobody withdraws from it, nobody hacks it. So they have to give you that kind of assurance, right? So that's the thing. Thousands of companies, institutions, all the big boys, they are coming in now, okay? And we don't know behind the scenes, we know MicroStrategy, we know Tesla, right? And now we know that guy, that evil guy, Soros, right? He's coming in. So we don't know who else have that, right? So this is a very important protocol, okay? And an institution, like I say, they have a fiduciary duty, right, towards the clients, right? So Qredo is quite credible because it's seeded, I think, because it's backed by a lot of good VCs, but also it was seeded at $11 million. You don't get $11 million just like that, right? Yeah. And but what I want to talk about it is that their main USP, right? This Qredo Protocol's main USP is this vault. Okay, so this Qredo Vault is a robust solution to the private key problem because they use this multi-party computation, this MPC, okay, and it secures and provisions access to layer 1 assets, and it holds the secret that enable no private key to be ever generated, so you don't need a private key for this. Okay, it has a watcher, and the watcher provides trustless monitoring by polling for exchanges. It acts as a smart router between the MCP clusters, the Qredo blockchain, and layer 1 cryptocurrency nodes, and the Qredo blockchain itself, which is an immutable ledger for asset ownership and transactions. Okay, and is built of mechanisms to facilitate the swift, smooth, and secure trading of digital assets cross-chain without wrapping. Okay, then you might say, why this? Why not Tor Swap? Or I use Torchain or whatever. Yeah, Torchain is great. Torchain, trust me, is going to do great, but they can't handle this kind of scale. I'm talking about huge billions and billions of dollars. Like Trump like to say, billions and billions. So they can't handle that, right? It can't. It will over time, right? And but these guys these guys are for the institutions, for the big boys, and so I like this project, and that's why I wanted to share with you this project. So let's take a look at what it does. I just want to show you very quickly, this part here. So this is how it looks like, where you have all the layer 1s here. You have your Bitcoin, your Polkadot, your Ethereum, your BSC, and whatever. This is that layer 1. So Qredo will be built on top of this layer 1, and then you have these this important tools down here: the watcher, the MPC cluster, the Qredo blockchain, as well as the Qredo messaging, because you need the messaging system to work if you are using, if you are talking to different chains, and also if different people are using this Qredo messaging system, right? And it also, you have the Qredo API, and then you have the Qredo apps, as well as third-party apps that can integrate with this layer 2. Okay, and then you have your capital market participants. So this is how it works. Okay, they have already launched mainnet already. Okay, and so a bit about the roadmap that I just wanted to share with you. Like I said, it's already on mainnet, and it closed at 11 million seed round, right? So Celsius and Deribit are one of their investors, so they have solid backing in that sense. Q2 2021 is HedgeGuard launches with Qredo. It's instant support for top 13 ERC20 tokens. Okay, so the leadership team is, you can see here, and they are all serial entrepreneurs. They have solid cryptography backing, and Mr. Josh Goodbuddy was the scaling leader, operational leader, scaling the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance and Huobi Global. So they have the technical abilities to pull this off, I think. I can't be sure, but so I think it's a great project to look at. And what they're doing live now is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stable coins as well. And in progress is the mid caps, which are Algorand, Solana, BSC, and Polkadot. And soon they will be opening up more and more tokens and all that to support more and more tokens, right? So this is I just want to share with you. Let's just take a look at this sale. It's on CoinList, so you know what to do with CoinList. If you've not registered, you can register yourself on CoinList. And the sale begins on July 8th, right, at 1700 UTC, and has 2 public options. Okay, but before that, you need to register. There's a date of registration. You got to register by July 6th. Okay, you need to register by July 6th. Okay, so option 1 of the sale, which is on July 8th, right, is 50 cents. Okay, minimum $100, maximum $500. Okay, cliff is 2 months, so 2 months you don't get access to your coins, or you can't sell it for 2 months, right? And you get and it's released on the spot, right? And the supply is 30 million tokens. Excuse me. Option 2, same, it's on July 8th, same date, but it's at 2300 UTC. The price is it's half. Okay, this was 50 cents and this is 25 cents. It's 22 cents, 22.5 cents. Okay, minimum same 100, maximum $1,000. Okay, cliff is 6 months, release is 12 months at weekly intervals, supply is 10 million tokens. Okay, for me personally, if I'm going for option 1, because I can't wait for 6 months and then 12 months at weekly in intervals. I think it's too long for me. I don't think so. But whichever way you like, whichever whichever makes sense to you, right? So this is a great project. You can I'll leave the links below for you to take a look. Guys, please like, please share, please subscribe my channel, please help me grow, right? If you have any good projects, please mention it at the comment box. Join my Telegram channel. Please follow me on my Twitter account. I'm very active on Twitter, right? So guys, thank you all. Namaste. Please support me to grow my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.